Hello, this is Jeff Swenson. We had promised you some examples of abnormal vascular anatomy in the inguinal region from ultrasound, and we'd like to show you these examples now. The first example we'd like to look at is a proximal takeoff of the profunda femoris artery. The profunda femoris normally takes off about 4 centimeters below the inguinal ligament. However, it may take off at or above the inguinal ligament. This is an example of a proximal takeoff of the profunda femoris artery in an artist rendition. This is an example of the profunda femoris seen real time on ultrasound, the yellow triangle representing the femoral nerve, and you see illustrated the superficial femoral artery and the profunda femoris in color Doppler and 2D. This is an example of the lateral circumflex iliac artery, which takes off from the common femoral. In this case, we see it on short axis, immediately superficial to the femoral nerve. This is a two-dimensional drawing. Now we're looking at ultrasound of the same vessel. So once again, this is a short axis view of the lateral circumflex iliac artery. Seen with color flow and two-dimensional. The femoral nerve is illustrated by the yellow triangle, and you can see how this vessel could be problematic if you were doing this injection blindly. This is the same vessel, the lateral circumflex iliac artery, shown on long axis. Once again, it's obvious how this could be problematic when performing a block without being able to see these abnormal vessels. This is an example of a lateral circumflex femoral artery which arises from the profunda femoris. This particular vessel is seen on short axis. Here we see it on ultrasound. What we're doing here is we're moving the transducer proximal and distal. As we move the transducer from proximal here to distal, we see first the takeoff of the profunda femoris, and then from the profunda femoris we see the takeoff of the lateral circumflex femoral artery. So here's the circumflex femoral artery, superficial femoral artery, and the profunda femoris. The femoral vein is seen medial to all these structures in blue. We hope this helps you avoid hematoma and intravascular injection and makes ultrasound guided blocks safer. Thank you.